Holy smokes. Of course, that festival here in South Haven was still going on, so man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no kidding.
Jake Yo overnight. I wait for you to.
Our map here continues to show how distilling across the area. Below the 12 customers affected now. Also, it's sporadic in nature, but as well. So it's going to have some pocket and some damage and wind in that area.
It's not too bad right now. Got a little windy there for a sec.
Where this little indentation is near the over ISO is, you should be inside and away from the windows there. Chandler, if you want to take over for a second, that would be great for like 2 minutes.
Of course, right before I started recording, they mentioned Bloomingdale and Breedsville.
That's all. Evan here in South Haven is right out ahead of that line. That's a nasty looking shelf cloud there. Also a lot of turbulence and a lot of what we call whale's mouth underneath that shelf cloud there. A lot of turbulence, probably pretty gusty underneath that shelf cloud there. So again, that's not, it's scary looking, but it's not going to be anything traumatic like that or anything like that to be concerned about. It's just strictly wind at this point.
Okay, why is everybody stopping?
Just to get it back.
Do I need to have radar pulled up or no?
If you want to, yeah. I'm going to try and down some food here.
Here we can see some pockets of almost 50, maybe a little bit more than 50 mile an hour winds, 3,000 feet off the ground. So there is the potential for that to be making down to the surface. We just don't know. If you have the Michigan Storm Chasers app and you're in the South Haven area, you can definitely submit a report over to us. You can send a picture or a video right through our app, and we'll be able to see that in real time if you're seeing ongoing severe weather in your location. But outside of that, we can just monitor up and down the lake of Northwest Michigan. The bulk of the precipitation is still outside of Berrien County. We have Cass County right next to Berrien County as well. Right now, the Allegan County area is definitely seeing the so in the Allegan County area, especially at and
Holy smokes, the wind's trying to pick up.
Down that areas like Gold, Top, direction of the next 15, 20 minutes or so. You're outside, now it'll be fine. You're ready for it to come through, and you have anything outside, like lawn chairs, or trash can, that here, so the area that I'm going to closer to the Lee area because I do think that velocity could be a little bit delayed. So, Allison, you're going to be up next in the next 15 to 20 minutes.
Freaking live stream keeps cutting out.
Fairly gusty winds as this moves your direction here into Kent County. It's currently in Allendale, Hudsonville areas. Do you have Hudsonville, Cam?
There's more trees over here.
Hold up, Cam.
Oh, I'm hydroplaning.
Put it back on the radar.
It is. You're good. So we have a couple of cameras over Hudsonville. We have the Autobody Experts camera, also Grand Equipment Company. I'm kind of curious to see what they're both kind of showing there. That's just south of where that wind gust was reported, but also the wind gust was also reported